Welcome to the English Explorers YouTube channel. Today, this video will share basic English vocabulary but essential for everyday English. You will learn various basic vocabulary such as airport, beach, butcher, cathedral, farm, garden, lake, and more basic essential vocabulary for everyday English conversation. Let's get started.
1. Airport means a complex of runways and buildings for the arrival and departure of aircraft. Example: I will meet you at the airport terminal. The airport was busy with travelers from all over the world. 2. Bank means a financial institution licensed to receive deposits and make loans. Example: I need to go to the bank to deposit a check. The bank manager helped me open a new account. 3. Beach means pebbly or sandy shore, especially by the ocean between high and low water marks. Example: we spent the day relaxing on the beach. The children built sandcastles on the beach. 4. Bridge means a structure carrying a road, path, railroad, or canal across a river, ravine, road, railroad, or other obstacle. Example: we crossed the bridge over the river. The old bridge has been closed for repairs. 5. Butcher means a person whose trade is cutting up and selling meat in a shop. Example: I bought some steak from the local butcher. The butcher gave me some cooking tips for the roast. 6. Restaurant means to a place where food and drinks are served to customers for a fee. Example: a restaurant is a place where you can eat food that is prepared and served to you. It's a place where people go to enjoy meals they don't have to cook themselves. 7. Castle means a large building, typically of the medieval period, fortified against attack with thick walls, battlements, towers, and often a moat. Example: the old castle stands on top of the hill. We visited a historic castle during our vacation. 8. Cathedral means the principal church of a diocese, with which the bishop is officially associated. Example: the cathedral is known for its beautiful stained glass windows. We attended a service at the cathedral. 9. Cemetery means a burial ground, a place where the dead are buried. Example: the cemetery was quiet and peaceful. We laid flowers on the grave at the cemetery. 10. Church means a building used for public Christian worship. Example: they got married in the local church. The church bell rings every Sunday morning. 11. City means a large town or a significant urban area, often the central hub of a region's economic, cultural, and political activities. Example: New York is a bustling city known for its skyscrapers. She moved to the city to find better job opportunities. 12. Cinema means a movie theater where films are shown for public entertainment. Example: we are going to the cinema to watch the latest blockbuster. The cinema near my house has the most comfortable seats. 13. Country means a nation with its own government, occupying a particular territory. Example: Japan is a country known for its rich culture and advanced technology. She has always wanted to travel across the country by train. 14. Factory means a building or group of buildings, where goods are manufactured or assembled chiefly by machine. Example: he works in a car factory that produces hundreds of vehicles daily. The factory on the outskirts of town employs many local residents. 15. Farm means an area of land and its buildings used for growing crops and rearing animals. Example: they have a small farm where they grow vegetables and raise chickens. Every autumn, the farm opens its doors to the public for apple picking. 16. Field means an area of open land, especially one planted with crops or pasture. Example: the children love to play in the field behind their school. The farmer plowed the field to prepare for spring planting. 17. Forest means a large area covered chiefly with trees and undergrowth. Example: we went hiking in the forest and enjoyed the natural scenery. The forest is home to a wide variety of wildlife. 18. Garden means a plot of ground where herbs, fruits, flowers, or vegetables are cultivated. Example: she spends her weekends tending to her garden. The botanical garden has a collection of exotic plants from around the world. 19. Gym means a place or club where you can go to exercise using machines, weights, and other equipment. Example: after work, I usually go to the gym to lift weights. The hotel has a gym that guests can use during their stay. 20. Harbor means a place on the coast where vessels may find shelter, especially one protected from rough water by piers, jetties, and other artificial structures. Example: their harbor was filled with boats of all sizes. They watched the sunset over the harbor while eating dinner at the waterfront restaurant.
If you like this video, please don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to the channel.
21. Hill means a naturally raised area of land, not as high or craggy as a mountain. Example: the children rolled down the grassy hill laughing. We hiked up the hill to get a better view of the sunset. 22. Home means a place where one lives permanently, especially as a member of a family or household. Example: after a long trip, it feels great to be back home. They just moved into a new home across the street. 23. Hospital means an institution providing medical and surgical treatment and nursing care for sick or injured people. Example: she works as a nurse in the local hospital. He was rushed to the hospital after the accident. 24. Hotel means an establishment providing accommodations, meals, and other services for travelers and tourists. Example: we booked a room at a luxury hotel for our anniversary. The hotel lobby was bustling with guests checking in and out. 25. Island means a piece of land surrounded by water. Example: they spent their vacation on a tropical island. The island is only accessible by boat. 26. Lake means a large body of water surrounded by land. Example: we went swimming in the lake during our camping trip. The lake freezes over every winter, and people can ice skate on it. 27. Library means a building or room containing collections of books, periodicals, and sometimes films and recorded music for people to read, borrow, or refer to. Example: she spends her afternoons studying at the library. The library is hosting a book sale next week. 28. Mall means a large enclosed shopping area from which traffic is excluded. Example: they went to the mall to buy new clothes for school. The mall has a food court with a variety of restaurants. 29. Market means a regular gathering of people for the purchase and sale of provisions, livestock, and other commodities. Example: we get fresh vegetables every Sunday at the farmer's market. The Christmas market is filled with handmade crafts and treats. 30. Mosque means a Muslim place of worship. Example: the call to prayer sounded from the mosque. Visitors were asked to remove their shoes before entering the mosque. 31. Mountain means a large natural elevation of the Earth's surface rising abruptly from the surrounding level. A large steep hill. Example: they went on an expedition to climb the highest mountain in the region. The view from the mountaintop was breathtaking. 32. Museum means a building in which objects of historical, scientific, artistic, or cultural interest are stored and exhibited. Example: on our trip, we visited a museum dedicated to modern art. The children enjoyed the dinosaur exhibit at the Natural History Museum. 33. Office means a room, set of rooms, or building, used as a place for commercial, professional, or bureaucratic work. Example: she has a corner office with a great view of the city skyline. I have to stop by the office to pick up some documents. 34. Palace means a grand residence, especially a royal residence or the home of a head of state. Example: the royal family lives in a magnificent palace surrounded by gardens. We toured the ancient palace and learned about its history. 35. Park means a large public green area in a town used for recreation. Example: the park was full of families enjoying the sunny day. They had a picnic in the park near the lake. 36. Pharmacy means a store where medicinal drugs are dispensed and sold, and in which toiletries and other medical goods can be purchased. Example: I need to go to the pharmacy to refill my prescription. The pharmacy also offers flu shots and health checkups. 37. Pool means a small area of still water, typically one formed naturally. Example: the kids splashed around in the backyard pool all afternoon. The hotel had a large swimming pool that was lit up at night. 38. Post office means a public department or corporation, responsible for mail services and in some countries telecommunications. Example: I dropped off the package at the local post office. She went to the post office to buy stamps for her collection. 39. Restaurant means a place where people pay to sit and eat meals that are cooked and served on the premises. Example: they celebrated their anniversary at a fancy restaurant downtown. The restaurant is known for its homemade pasta dishes. 40. River means a large natural stream of water flowing in a channel to the sea, a lake, or another river. Example: the river winds through the valley and provides water for the crops. They spent the afternoon fishing in the river. 41. Road means a wide way leading from one place to another, especially one with a specially prepared surface which vehicles can use. Example: the road was lined with beautiful cherry blossom trees. They took a scenic back road to avoid the traffic. 42. School means an institution for educating children. Example: the children walked to the school together every morning. She volunteered to read stories at the local school. 43. Shop means a building or part of a building where goods or services are sold. Example: he bought a gift for his friend at the souvenir shop. She stopped by the flower shop to pick up a bouquet. 44. Stadium means a large structure for open-air sports or entertainment. Example: the stadium was packed with fans for the concert. They watched the football game at the new stadium downtown. 45. Station means a regular stopping place on a public transportation route, especially one on a railroad line with a platform and often one or more buildings. Example: she caught the train from the central station. The bus station was crowded with commuters. 46. Store means a retail establishment selling items to the public. Example: he went to the hardware store to buy some tools. The grocery store is having a sale on fresh produce. 47. Temple means a building devoted to the worship, or regarded as the dwelling place of a god or gods or other objects of religious reverence. Example: The ancient temple is a popular tourist attraction. Devotees visit the temple to offer prayers. 48. Theeta means a building or outdoor area in which plays and other dramatic performances are given. Example: they went to the theater to see a new play. The theater district is known for its vibrant nightlife. 49. University means an institution of higher education and research, which awards academic degrees in various academic disciplines. Example: she is studying economics at the university. The university campus is beautiful in the fall. 50. A zoo means an establishment that maintains a collection of wild animals, typically in a park or garden, for study, conservation, or display to the public. Example: the children were excited to see the lions at the zoo. The zoo is involved in various wildlife conservation projects.
That is all for today. I hope you have learned essential basic vocabulary for everyday English conversation. Keep practicing, and constant learning will help you improve your English. Please don't forget to watch more helpful English learning videos on this channel. If you like this channel, please don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to the channel.